Shubor nakaslem jong unong san hima.
Ka school OM Roy Memorial Secondary School, kalakan maburam yu unong seng barat ba jo ka school ulet ba ti Alparyong, da ka ba kalapli umat dur sa kan mau haphalau jong ka school ka badan hamaulai kenton masar, haka khandai tari unai tung arja apasaw. Haka ni ka ski le don lang WMLA ka maulai constituency uba Bright Star Wal Marbanyang kum ukong san, kum ju UMDC uba Taibor lang pathaw, ka principal ka kong astronomist imli ba Erembai kinong hikai ki khana school ba kinong shakhot sngobha kumba kapau uliet ba ti Alparyong ulalong unong seng barat ba ya ka school OM Roy Memorial Secondary School kabadan hamaulai kendon masa na do usnam shaja khandai spa khnai puar nalor ka OB Roy Memorial Lower and Upper Primary kabala seng ha usnam shaja khandai spa hnya pulai harang thong kabaha South West Khase Hills omtang ba ulalong unong seng handai shibun kilapau na kiniki artali ki school ka school OM Roy kalalong ru ka bapau ha ka kamel ekai football ha ka bakalala bandra ya ka namla du ha ka International Subroto Mukherjee Cup football tournament jong ka kerdan ya lekai under 17 kishan rang ha usnam arja khatlai katkum ka jingpin pau da ka principal ka badika khun kan thei marwe jong uti unong seng long ba uliet ba ti Alparyong ulalong uba jusngu tanat bha ban ya lekai football kum urang ya lekai dien na defender ha ki por ba udang samla ha ka ba ule shimanta ha shibun ki lumpung ya lekai football kamtam hakithan jong ka South West Khase Hills hakani ka khandai tarik unai tung arja arpasaw ka bade artat ka lungkhu sngi khlat ka balai jong ti urang ba hakabana kaliang ka principal haringkat kino hikai bat ki khana school kilabu sentiu hakmat utai umur dur sa jingkan mau
Thank you.
Yes.
Uri orang bamen si berkarya galawai Kang kucing datang haladir Usam lem syaki wai Jing trai shi tom uyo kanong Baka kajing long real Kajing minot kam shem sepay Para than ugentil
Friend of my father. So before I'm going to read the life history of my father. So I would like to read about the history of our father. I would like to share a very short story of how we come to this decision of having a bus made of our father. During the height of the COVID lockdown, all my brother and I were sitting with our father and discuss about the school and his life and his health of our father. But suddenly he told us that when he dies, he would like be buried in the school premises. My brother and I, though we could understand why he would want this, we know that it would be impossible. So we assured him that after his death, we would build a statue of him in his memory to honor his life of work as a school teacher, headmaster, secretary of the school, and as the beloved founder of the school. Khandai Spa Saupusan, Hakashnong Nong Na Thangrai, Southwest Kazil District, Udayukon ba Amakishipara Jong Ilit Terili Paryong, but Ilit Tonrai Tommy. Ulit Tel Paryong, Ulapandem Yagajing Police School, Class 6, Hado Class 6 na Nong Na Venture MP School. But Ting Biang Yagajing Police, Ha United Christian High School Paryong, House name Kat Kandai, Hado Kat Kandai Drill Huway. Hado Bona Pandem Yaga Matric Lani Class 10, Hakini Korbanmenta, Kata house name Kat Kandai Spa Rio Pusan. Long Batray Shitom, but Minat Baha Hagijing Ule. Ule TL Paryong, Komukna Samla, Ulong Uba Eka football, but Uba Tibet Baha, Hakabai Lekai, Komu defender, Haka team Kabaudan. Raji Shimpentaro Hashibon ki tournament Kam Tam Hakitain. Hakitan Southwest Kasi Hill Hakituki Por. Habaula Pendep Yaga Matric, House name Kakandai Spandre Pusan, How new Ju Hills name, Late TL Paryong, Ularung Hakakam, Kum Unong Hikai, Harang Tong Christian School. But they Hakanika Snong Rang Tong, Bau Late TL Paryong, Ulay kendo bad niya to shongkorem but Mrs. Idoless imli. But ula shong lasa ano hangni harang tong but sing ye ka long ying long sem ka jong I. Asaw mo ki kun shin rang but mga I kun contain. Te baro akong ki kun hoy nila don nila ye pendep ki jing puli ki baper ki jong I. But kum juru nila don hala ki jong ki kam ki jongi baro. Hagajing ya linti kum unong hikai. Uliet TF Palyong, ulalong u headmaster but secretary jong Rang Tong Christian School. Hagas nem Kat Kandai Spa Rio Punrio. Kum ubrio uba it but shakri hok yakakam. Ulale shibon ki babaha. But one ra jing mentoy but lingba ka jing tray shi jong ka jong u ka sarkar jila ka ibit ban kintiw upgrade yakani ka school shakakar dan higher secondary school house name Arhajalai. Kum unong hikai but secretary hakani ka school la kumba san who ways name AA. Kum unong nong penyat but nong hikai wat tray shi jong. Ban continue ke jing nang jing start, but ke jing bit jing biang, jong ki kena hakani ke school, but kumcu hakani ke than, ke sarkar jela, but ke sarkar deng, kala ibit ya ulit TL Paryong, but ai ya kini ki kusnam lani ki awards, hakini ki snem ki baper. Kata haka Kandai Spa proper way. Ila yo yaka district award jongka East and West Kasi Hill district. But haka Kandai Spa Prapusan ila yo yaka state award hangi jongka Meghalaya Shillong. But kumjuru haka snem Kandai Spa Prapunyo ila yo banpadiang yaka national award na po New Delhi. Paryong Hapdeng ke jing pun kam kom unong peniyat school but nong hikai ula long ru ubriu u bakloi bani ram but tenrong lem yaki kam jong ka balang kumjo ru hakashnong ka thau hakabala ula juban ru yaka kam rang bashnong jong ka rang thong hapo Southwest Kasi Hill nado 2000 Arhajar Hado Arhajar Khatway. uliet tel paryong kum ubreu bayu ijengai. But ka commission ka ba ublay ula ai ha uya ka sap ka phang ban pindan kam hang kum tak bum ubreu ba shempang ula no senyang shu ha ka imlang salang ban pen priang ya ka jingstan ha kita ki badan kam ya ka dag ba ula seng ye ki arteri ki skol ha ka ni ka jella kita ki long ka way ka O.B. Roy Memorial Lower and Upper Primary School House Nam Khatkhandai Spa Nyo Phlai Kini ka O.B. Roy Memorial School ka don hapo Rangthong kum joru ngaru komi wei kon jong I letel paryong na yo bangan puli class nursery ha kini ka school but ha ka ta ko por bala hikaya nga da ilet Obli Mohan Roy ibadi bangila bo ya kijing sanam na ka banta jong kani ka school ibelong ipa jonga ila sengsai kani ko way pat ka school kata ka O.M. Roy Memorial Higher Secondary School hangni hamaulai kentan masam how news nam Khatkhandai Spa Khandai Poan lingba ka jing tray shi tom ka jong I rengkat ka jing yak snok tilang jong ki nyungut shi para jong I May baro dai lala ban pli ya kani ka O.M. Roy School hangni hapo maulai kintan masar hakas nam Khatkhandai Spa Khandai Poan kabalong ka school kabala seng rengkat bat ka yeng ka sem ka jong ihi hagitu ki por ka O.M. Roy gila penlong ya ka school ka jong ka hayeng kata hayeng jong I lani hayeng jong I May Mrs. Idoless Emily ibalong ilok jong ilet TL Paryong bat latip kom ka O.M. Roy Memorial LP and ME School Khatkhandai Spa Khandai Phlai uliet TL Paryong kong secretary jong ka managing committee ula tri shitam met badmin siem banting teo ya kani ka school shaka Kerdan Secondary kumta ka sarkar kala ibet ban ai ka jing ito bat ka jing ya rabru Hakabaka secondary and upper primary kila yo eka ad hoc system nakabantaban siyo tulab ekinong hikay kajing tri shitom jong uni uriw rangba kamkut tang hangye Henry ula minat tapat angnut ban penkiw syo yakaskol hakadong ni kashlong kentan masar maulai kumta uliet TL Paryong ula don ka jing tmu ban pen priang lem mi ki ba duna ha ka yo ka kon but ula len shisha yala dia but ula la shisha ban kintiu but pen yo upgrade saya ka higher secondary ka badai ha ka art stream ya ka ba ka ni ka school ka liyeng kum ba ka long menta but la tip ya ka kum ka O.M. Roy Memorial Higher Secondary School.
Not just an educationist, but I believe from whatever I could gather the information, though I have not met him personally, nor do I know him personally, but from what I can gather through all these speakers that have given the speech with regards to this great personality, led by TL Paryong, I can understand that he's not just an educationist, but he is also a visionary leader. At the very outset, I would like to thank the school management, the principal, and at the same time, the teachers, the students, and all the family members. Stengsi ke pemerintah, ngamla klem dapat pau ke jinsu, jangan ingkong eu play, terakan rat, angit kem, kam tam dele, lingba jong ketuk ke jingruai, kemudian dep ban penpau lingba kini ki hep kibarit ki khna jogani ka school ka banga snow mo ka burom ka ba khli nganget skem kadai show try nong bu nong thao ubalong mau uthamei bon nong pnya ya ka jingem ka jonga ka jongpi bat khamtam ya ka jingem jong ni rang ba ublalit no aswa jongi blabam kwai haduar jong play ba TL Pariong hot kani di kaski ong kami kaski ka ba ngin ken mau yu ni rang ba da ka jing chau man lan ni da ka jing sosi ya nga so ba kani kaski ka ba ngi ong ka tak thin pareng ban celebrate ya ka life lani ya ka jingem ka jong ni rang ba ublalit no haswa jongi namang nganget skem lingba ki jing pen pau ka jing kren jong shibun ki nong kren ki bala kren hakman ngasko bau ni ri romba ulale shibun ba ki mati ki ba ulabu ha pring jonga ba jongpi ni opor ka pamenta nganget skem ki ki baro ki bangi di ban bur ya ki dien jat ki bau ni ri romba ulabu hakmat jongi hakmat jonga ba jongpi ho kani di ka por ka ba kerpang kum ka yeng ba khamtam kum kani ka school kaba uni rang ba blalet no haswa jongi ula seng bat om tang man seng tang ni school ring school thu leng ba jingi thu ko jong pi ula seng artli ki school ka wei hang thi ha ka shnong ka ba le se ula trei lakta ula he lasan ban no senyang ya ka tu ka dong ka than ka badan shak tu ka jaka bat ka wei pan ka ni ka school ka badan ha ka ni ka shnong ka ba i ka jonga ba ka jong pi Kasnong mulai bangai skem kini di school kumbangi tip baru kini ke school kepala warna ikan nam ikan purum om tang hakani ke celah hendai hapo kerihi bar kobai banlong ke champion haka sebertu kop ngai skem kembali ke besuk daki hajar teli ke school baru keri India ban ya compete banlong kita ki champion kita di kanam bat ke burum bagani ke school kalau wanra ya kani ke snong ke jonga baga jongpi ke snong molai ningkong bat ya ke jelahi baro kobai hot kani ke ski ka bansa jikan mau ha ka bangi pli yau ni moddur bal penwandur daunong drodur ha ka dur jong iba TL Pariong bangi skem kani kan pen kan mau om tang yaki bahiyin hasen Dekan ni kan pen mau khamtam na kamta jongpi ki hep ki barit ki khna school ki bakan rung hapo jongpi bangi dongkam banlong barbandon ya kani ke jinglong kumbau ni utrai nong seng jong ni school bang ni skem lingba ki mati ki jongu ngila banong udai uta visionary leaders mak udai jong John C Maxwell we na ki nong thokot ki bapau nam jogri Amerika bari ru pastor baru berdiri atau orator unong keren ubat tebet ulong hakabidi bat kita ke visionary leaders uang umni uang tahu leader nani utau nong ilam udai uta ubat tip ya garanti ubayat ya garanti bat ubah peniru ya garanti bat ngaso bagi di kentin ke mengalong nak sedang kayak hakabidi bat new real rangba nangis scam new real rangba udai ubat tip udai bayat bat udai bat peniru ya kelenti hapring jonga bat jongpi hoi aba krenru ya kita ke visionary leaders wei na kinong thokot Warren Bennis wong ini kentien leadership is the capacity to translate a vision into a reality kabamut ba ka jinglong nong yalam kadai kata ka jingla ban pinkla ya kata ka ka bang yo i sya ka kabadai ke jing shisha